Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Elementor header, show behind, content, slider or image in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using transparent header and we added some margin -180 px top on this section. Now go to home and then scroll up, you see -180. Now go to header. So this is our header, but our header is not show on home page. So this section show on front end on our Elementor header. So we are going to fix it. Basically this issue caused due to z index value. So this section z index value higher than Elementor header z index value. Now go to Elementor header and then you see container. So this is our main container and then you see edit container. So you can click on it. On left side you see layout, style, advanced. So click on advanced and then scroll down, you see z index. So add higher value 999. So you can add value according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see our transparent header is showing on our website and then scroll down, you see sticky header. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.